Hello everyone, today we'll be having a tutorial of how to change your Amazon shipping address after ordering. And welcome to Tutorials with David. If you have already placed an Amazon order but need to change the shipping address, don't panic, then here's how to do it. First, open the Amazon app or website, go to your orders, just like they said here. Select order details for the order that you want to change, then select change. Next to the details that you want to update, follow the on screen instruction. So note, if you're on a mobile device, you can only cancel the order. You may find more options to change your order by using a desktop computer. So what I want you to do also, this is just another information. Just want to cancel your order, then change your or order it again and change your information order on the shipping address. And then here's how to do it. Always double check your updated information and avoid missed deliveries.